Guys, running kimono. So there's a very massive penny list out there right now, and I was specifically looking for food today, and oh my gosh, do you think I scored? I got all of this stuff, which is stuff for the pantry, and it was all a penny. So it is insane. I'm really excited by this, and it was just really like fun. I had to call it short because we got our first dusting of snow, and basically there was some black ice and really bad road conditions on the roads, and I didn't want to chance it, so I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little bit, and I might venture out again to a different store. But yeah, this is really amazing. So I'm just gonna go through the Dollar General first. What we're gonna talk about is penny shopping for all of you newbies who are watching. Penny shopping is like Fight Club. You do not mention it to the staff. You go in there, use the app. If it's scanning up for a penny, clear the shelf. Because if not, if you just grab one of these, the employee will go with a cart and bring everything to the back. So grab it all, even if you want to donate a bunch of them. So it's a lot like Fight Club. You know, first rule of Fight Club, there is no Fight Club. So even if your name is Penelope, go by the name Sarah for the day. Your name is not Penny. So just be very mindful of that. So one thing I did notice, guys, and I'm just gonna point this out, in the app, if your store is an NCI store, so there's a big home section in the back, you would know what I'm talking about. Everything is ringing up. This product is ringing up for like $3.51 or whatever the 50% off price is. But if you have the zip code to a non-NCI store, it's actually showing what items are a penny. And that's precisely what I did to figure out what was a penny and what wasn't. Now this is obviously on multiple people's penny list, this little corn oil. It has a very fast expiry date, so I am going to be donating all of this. I'm not going to be frying up stuff for every meal until you know, it expires. But this corn oil is a penny. I'll show you the UPC here in a second. If you can find a store near you that is a non-NCI, just a regular Dollar General, that's how you can check what is and what isn't. Smartest thing to do is to fill up your basket. Say you find all of these, put all of them in your basket, and ask the cashier to do a price check on one item, and then he or she will say, oh, that's a penny. And then you'll know, oh, it's game on at that location. So just be very mindful of that. So the Bertolli, and I found all this stuff in the clearance section as well. Now, my friend who's also penny shopping, who lives about an hour from me, she was saying to me, she's like, I'm not finding any food. I have a theory, I think because of everything going on in the news, people are stockpiling food right now like crazy. So even if they would find something on clearance for $6, they're buying all of them. I've just noticed that pattern. But at this one store I went to, like nobody shops there, so I was able to find the mother load of stuff. So this Bertolli oil, and this is extra virgin olive oil. Bertolli, I mean, come on. Yeah, just fantastic. So yeah, penny for that. Toll House cocoa. So this is just for baking, and the expiry date on this guy is next October. So a lot of these expiry dates, these are quick, these are for the end of the year, and this is for next year, and all of these soups are for 2022 as well. But this for like Christmas baking and stuff, yes please and thank you so much. I found 4 of them, so how wonderful is that? Found a whole lot of these cream of bacon soups. They expire in December of next year. I'm usually like a cream of mushroom or a cream of chicken girl, but I think I can try cream of bacon, and I found a whole lot of them. Just kind of a funny story. One of the bases actually started rusting off, so I had to leave that one at the store. I just gave it to the cashier. Probably one of my favorite find, these Progresso soups. And for a lot of you who are like, you're so greedy to grab all of this, if I didn't grab it, it would be taken by the staff and just thrown in the back and then auctioned off. You know, people buy Dollar General pallets, so that's why I grabbed everything. It's another rule of this. These guys, we have the wild chicken and rice and the chicken and rotini, so these 2 different flavors, a penny each. The expiry date is down here and it's next October. So at the very least, even if my husband and I do not like them, we can always donate these to a soup bank. I know they would love to have them. something that my husband will absolutely love. This Campbell's chunky beef with country vegetables. Sorry, I'm so nervous, I'm stuttering. For $1.55, I think most people would just pay for that. But yeah, I only found 3 of these. Yeah, some of this food, like I think I got like 40 or 50 canned goods. I mean, this is stuff that I can have in my stockpile until like a really long time, till next year. And when your roads are like this and you can't leave your house, it's really nice to have stuff like this in your stockpile. And the fact that I did get so many, I'm able to make a little box for my mother-in-law. I can donate a lot of it if I want. I can do whatever I want with this. So it is quite exciting. Go out sooner than later, guys. And the app has been really, really weird. Even if you scan some of these barcodes, it might show that there's nothing in stock, but there might be some items in stock. I provided you the UPC, so good luck with that. Friends, and just to show you, the freebie guy prepared this penny list, and just to let you guys know, like a lot of this stuff that's been floating around the internet, the staff pulled it. Like the oil was not at one store, and then a whole bunch of this other little odds and ends were just pulled off. But some of those soups and other items were still part of it. So if I were you, if you have a little bit of time, anything that you think maybe possibly or like, scan it. And even if it's bringing up full price, bring it to the front and ask for a price check, and you might be surprised. And then Kendall also has this other list. Just pause the video and scan in the store. This is probably one of the biggest penny lists we've had this year. It's just massive, and there's a lot of like practical stuff, everything from 4th of July decor to food. And I know a lot of us are really trying to stockpile food, so make it happen. Okay, now just a quick little update. I made several videos yesterday about Walmart and IBOTTA and this free Thanksgiving dinner. One of you signed up with my code and I was able to get the turkey. I want to let you guys know that when I was in the store, I started scanning everything and all the turkeys. And basically, guys, the Butterball was the only one I could get to attach, and all the Butterball turkeys were gone, so I had to get a turkey breast. So just be really mindful of that. If you get that $15 IBOTTA rebate, scan all the turkeys to make sure you're grabbing the right one, because you don't want to buy something for $15 and for it to not work or anything like that. Is Rite Aid, and I just did this quick little deal because I needed some batteries. These guys are $3.99 with your gold discount, so for 2 it's $7.98. Get back $10 of bonus cash. I'm not sure how long this double dip will last for, but it was free and a little money maker for these Rite Aid batteries, and I'm very happy with that. Get out to the Dollar General, guys, and make magic happen. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.